Hello and welcome back to my channel. I try to put up a new video every week. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified straight away of any new videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a like. It really helps to motivate me to keep making new content. This is a Singer Workroom Treadle Table. The style is very utilitarian with pressed steel legs. This style of table was aimed at professional seamstresses and dressmakers. When the machine is folded down into the table, it provides a completely flat surface, which is very handy. There's a small lever to the rear of the table which pops up the removable cover. And then the machine lifts up in the conventional manner. The removable cover clips on the side of the table and is supported by a fold-out arm to create a handy extension. This particular machine, a Singer 15K80 and Workroom Treadle Table combination, dates from 1945 and was indeed purchased new by a professional seamstress. It's been lightly restored and is in full working order, ready to give many more years of service.